Awesome! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Thank you. I didn't think this would ever happen even when I filled out the paperwork.
Our 2024 Metal Buck Sweepstakes has started. Enter now to get a chance to win a free metal roof from Gator Metal Roofing. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need to do is head over to our website at gatormetalroofing.com/sweepstakes. And number 2, fill out your details, like your name, your phone number, email, and address, and enter to win. Number 3, catch up with us online and check out testimonials, reviews, and some of our metal roofing tips while you wait for the winning call. Our 2023 Metal Bucks champion, Mr. David Guess of Edenton, North Carolina, didn't think he would win.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you Mr. David Guess?
Yes, I am.
Hi, sir. Come on out. We have a surprise for you. So we want to congratulate you
on being our first ever Gator Metal Roofing Metal Bucks Sweepstakes winners.
Awesome! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Thank you. I didn't think this would ever happen even when I filled out the paperwork.
Yeah. So
I told the person when I filled it out, I never win. I told her that too.
So you're going to get your entire home covered with a Gator Metal Roof. Everything's going to be covered for you, installation and everything.
Love it.
Yes, that is amazing.
Next year we're going to do a winner every single year.
Even if you don't think you have a chance at winning, don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to enhance your home with a metal roof that's beautiful, energy efficient, hurricane wind resistant, and comes with a lifetime warranty, all for free. Sign up today and you could be our next winner. Just visit gatormetalroofing.com/sweepstakes to sign up today.